it. And I did it, and it ended up working. So we're going to be going ahead and doing this free at Vbucks method. But really quickly, I don't want to let you guys know I do have a little cold. So I know I sound a little funny here. So, we have to make content because obviously this is actually crazy. So just letting you guys know, I do sound a little bit weird, but I'm okay, guys. Now, right before we get inside of the method, I do want to let you guys know that I am gifting my subscribers as well. So for those of you guys who, maybe are not, able to hop in the game right now, or for whatever reason, I just want to let you guys know I am gifting my subscribers, all you. What you guys have to do is drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down your epic. And just let me know what you guys want. So I'll hook some of you guys up, but let's just get started. So you want to start by going to your island code section and put in the code 392968520142. So again, 392968520142, and it should pop up as 1v1 FFA, all guns and rides. I'm sure you guys have seen this map before. Now make sure you guys fill in heart black, and if this button is yellow, make sure to turn this gray. So make sure the creator is also favorited, and it might even give you guys like a little check mark. So yeah, you'll get like a free item or something, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. It gave me like a weird icon thing. But yeah, so once you guys do that, then you guys want to just change it to either a public or a private match. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to do private because I don't want to deal with the little kids in my lobby. But it really is up to you guys. If you guys want to play with others, it's really up to you guys. It doesn't matter. But one very important step is you guys need to set your hidden matchmaking delay to 1 second. And then you're going to click play and then go back into your settings and change it back to 0. So just watch what I do. Okay, so I'm going to click play with the hidden matchmaking delay on 1 second. I'm going to click play and then I'm going to go back up to the top right of my screen. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and change it back to 0 seconds and click back. And now we just wait to load inside of the game. Basically, what we just did is pretty much just spoof the game into thinking that we're playing in the match. It's just a bypass, okay? Because obviously, Epic Games does try to patch different things like this. But anyways, once you guys load up inside of the map, what you guys are going to want to do this map, Google search type https://clickprize.xyz/whitey enter free Fortnite Vbucks. Click now. As you click on this button, is you guys are going to want to go ahead, XP before we go ahead and actually get ourselves the Vbucks. So yeah, you can go ahead and claim some music notes. And again, let's just say that you guys are waiting for that timer to finish. These are just some things you can do to pass time and make it quicker. You can also claim different gifts. There's going to be a gift box over to our right. So what you could do is while you guys are waiting for that timer, you could go inside the gift box, claim different chests and different rewards. There's also an exchange, so you can actually go ahead and get yourselves XP in return for coins. So you could literally just go ahead and spam, XP, which is pretty great as well. I think I've leveled up like 5 times in this map since playing it, or maybe like a few more levels. It's just honestly crazy. So, those are just some things that you guys can do while you're waiting. You can also get like different types of like back blinks. So you could change it to like a diamond or, like this. So again, like while you guys are waiting there's things that you guys can do to pass time. Even if you don't want to go on the XP rail, you don't have to sit on that for this to work. You just need to wait the timer. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, so we've pretty much done every single step. We waited the timer. So I'm going to go back into that room and click on the button, and I'm going to get all of my Vbucks for completely free by using this free at Vbucks method here instead of Fortnite 2025. So let's go ahead and click on that step 2 again. And we're going to go ahead and click the button. But before you click the button, make sure you pretend like you're going to leave the game, and make sure you favorite the map if you haven't already, and make sure to recommend, or else it will teleport you into the wrong room. So you need to go ahead and do that. And now we're going to click the button, And you guys should spawn inside of the free at Vbucks area, where then you can go ahead and actually claim your Vbucks, which will show up in the lobby as soon as you return it back to the lobby. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.